Hey viewers, this is some new camera. Instead of using this or the other camera, this is something else. I know that kind of sounded funny, and since I have nothing else to do, there's been some activity going on in my area. Some Amber Alerts and some stuff. It happened a few years ago. And I just got very scared that I couldn't even sleep that night. So it's either the same person or some different person avenging. And why do I keep getting EAS alert from my phone? I got 3 so far. If you want more proof, yes, I'm gonna play Bad Piggies now because I have nothing else to do. Yep, right here. What is that? That's just a Highlander. Anyway, that's not the suspect's car. It was actually a stolen car from the area in Bloomington Avenue or something. So here's the 3 alerts I've gotten so far. Focus. I think I got it. Oh shoot, no! Here's this one. The first one says, Amber Alert in this area until 6:24 and 6:24 CST, execute action. And then Amber Alert, and then another execute action. And I'm just like, what? Just a notification. Alright, now with that over the way, you know what the situation is. Some Amber Alerts and some stuff. I might as well continue playing my Bad Piggies until the EAS goes into my phone. And that's what I'm trying to get in 4K. It's 6. Alright. Wait, what is this? Could it be? Is it Rovio TV? Because if it is, I remember looking at Rovio TV once I had my old Bad Piggies from back then, before all the extra parts were there, etc. Never mind. Screw this. I'm gonna get back to my game. You just wasted my time. How stupid is this? Oh, that's the trailer. No, I'm not watching it. I already seen it. Swipe YouTube, but no. Swipe Google. Bad Piggies is where I'm going. Good. Gotta put in my scrap first. Dang it. Wait, I have enough. What? I got all of them. I got all of the level 1s. I never thought I would see this. Alright, let's go. It's a battery! Which gave me 50 candies, stars, and all that. Now let's see. Okay. And I just put it into highest level. Into the max level, like in this case. Yeah. Purchasing wooden crate, because of course I need all that stuff. What is it? What is it? What is it? Skulls? I just got 2 of them. 3. I have 1 already. Oh, right. I'm stupid, I do. And I have 5 coins, I'm broke, but at least I have some scrap. More scrap. Screw that bag. And screw that propeller. 142. Oh, yes. Let's go. Uh-oh. Wait. Hold up. Let me take a browse of what I have right now. So, never mind. I'm not going to cutscene. So, yeah, I do have all the level 1 parts. Oh, I do have all the level 1s. Heh. Have some level 2s, barely have some level 3s. I found some in crates, of course. Wanna know what's my favorite sandbox? It's Little Pig Adventure. I made a huge car and just started going everywhere with it. All the nooks and crannies that it can even reach. Like balloon, 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 sandbag, iron stuff, umbrella, bottle, rope, plunger thing, and yep, that's it. Here's my car right here. I gotta swap the blocks. Sorry if I'm close to the microphone though. Yeah, I might as well play one-handed. Wait, never mind, I will play this way. I guess I am wearing socks with this, because it's negative in our area. Oh right, I forgot V8s, different V8s. I'm gonna create a TNT launcher, a spring-loaded launcher, some stuff. Wait, actually, I'm gonna just toss this away, and I'm gonna do something very sus. And where's there? The TNT and the springs are now connected. I'm gonna see if I can collect some useful stuff over here. Actually, I'm gonna put it to all-wheel drive, because it's not a 3-blocker, it's a multi. I'm gonna put all the engines in it so it can be more powerful. Oh shoot, this actually eats up everything. So I have to do. So I have to do this just to make it look like a van. And then where's the switch? Yep, I got 2 of them. And the skull is the piggy's little kid. Let's go. Right away from the TNT. And now 3, 2, 1. No. Ah, shoot. Ah. Okay, attempt 2. By the way, I'm not this one YouTuber that does bad piggy stuff. No, stop. It's gonna fall. All-wheel drive, instant torque, and now slow down because there's this annoying fan that I hate. Run. Slow. Ooh. Yee. No. Hey. I found 24 out of 28 in this map, by the way. No! And you want to know what I'm going to add? I'm going to add something that I'll use all the time. So I grab one of these, wait, where's the, yeah, I grab one of these plungers. And in this case I have 6 of them, which is a lot. I'm gonna aim them at the correct angle. Oops. Oh shoot! Minneapolis, MN, Amber Alert, LIC, HTH, 234, Toy Story reference. But literally, that's the plate. White 2008 Buick Enclave. That just scared the heck out of me. Right now, my phone has something to say. Like and subscribe to Fire Fan or in the little clash trips, or you'll be in the situation. Wait, no. Sorry, let me rephrase that stream.